starting to review our shapes for geometry. So today is about trapezoids, and a trapezoid is a four-sided shape that has at least one set of parallel lines. So the key word is at least one. It can have more parallel sides, but it just has to have at least one. And parallel sides means that there are two straight sides that will never cross over if their lines kept going. So if a side has a shape like this, well, if you kept those lines going, they would eventually cross. So that is not parallel. All right, let's look at our options. This is not a trapezoid because this has more than four sides. This one does have four sides, but if I'm looking, these two sides will eventually intersect, and these sides right here would do the same as well. So over here, you have at least one side that's parallel. If you look here, the top of the shape and the bottom, those are two straight lines that go like this. That's parallel sides. Okay, what attributes or characteristics do all trapezoids have in common? Okay, let's look at our options. Four straight sides and at least one pair of parallel sides, four straight sides and no parallel sides, or five straight sides and at least one pair of parallel sides. Well, we did say that it has to have a four-sided figure and at least one pair of parallel sides. So I'm going to go with this first option here. Okay, which trapezoid has no right angles? Okay, let's review right angles. So that is an angle that makes a perfectly 90-degree angle. So it would look like this. Here's a right angle. Okay, which trapezoid has no right angles? These are all trapezoids, but if you look here, well, this one, it's like an exact corner. You can think of a right angle as an exact corner. That shape has it over here. That one has it. But if you look at this trapezoid, each angle is not a right angle. So this one would have no right angles. Okay, which trapezoid has at least one right angle? Okay, if I'm looking here, again, I don't see any angle that is exactly 90 degrees or a corner. Right here, ooh, look at this one. That's an exact right angle. And over here, none of them have that either. So I'm going to choose the middle one. All right, we're going to do one other type of problem. On Zearn, they're going to have you sort into two different categories, either trapezoid or non-trapezoid. So remember, we have to think about that trapezoids have to have four sides, and they have to have at least one set of parallel lines. And if a shape does not meet those qualifications, I'm going to drag it to not a trapezoid. All right, this one right here, it has four sides, and these sides are parallel, and so is this side. So I'm going to put that in trapezoid. Four sides, these are parallel, and so is the top and bottom, trapezoid. Okay, four sides, we have parallel sides for the top and the bottom, trapezoid. Okay, right here, I do have four sides, but none of the sides have a parallel line, so not a trapezoid. Okay, then this one, four sides, and the top and bottom are parallel. This is a trapezoid. All right, hopefully these few example problems have helped you out, and good luck with the rest of your Zearn.